guys, Mr. Lambert here. We're going to be discussing balance and stability today, and in particular, the centre of gravity. So balance and stability, being balanced and stable, enable you to perform your skill with correct technique, which obviously helps to improve your performance. And the key terms again are base of support, centre of gravity, and our line of gravity. Centre of gravity. The centre of gravity of an object is the point at which weight is evenly dispersed and all sides are in balance. So human centre of gravity can change as he or she takes on different positions, but in many other objects it is a fixed location. So as you can see here, this person has, who's just standing here almost in the anatomical position, then the centre of gravity is slightly around about belly button height. Okay, as this person raises up and is a little bit taller, so it's almost on tippy toes, you can see that there is also a slight increase in the height of the centre of gravity. So the taller you're standing, the higher your centre of gravity will be. The taller you are, the higher your centre of gravity will be. When this person performs some sort of half split technique here and also leans over to the side, they are not only lowering their centre of gravity, but they're also moving their centre of gravity out to the outside of their body. Okay, so how do we figure out where our centre of gravity is? So these are our three friends that we will look at in all of our videos. So the way that we can figure out where our centre of gravity is that we need to draw a square, okay, around the outside of our people, okay, and then we need to draw a line. We don't want that to be, sorry, that's where we need to be transparent there, and we want that to maybe be a little bit thicker as well. And let's make it a bright green. Wonderful. So we want to draw a line here. Okay, so you draw your box around your athlete. Okay, and then we draw two lines. Let's make them a bright red. And let's make them nice and thick as well. Let's draw another line. Go the other way. So we go corner to corner. Ding dong. The witches did. Okay, so from there, that is where we can help to find our centre of gravity. So the middle point there, that little space, boom, right there, is our centre of gravity. Okay, so if I was just chucking a wee circle there, that is bang on where our centre of gravity will be. Okay, we'll make that a bright yellow. Cool. So that's, approximately, it's one technique of figuring out where this gentleman's centre of gravity is. Okay. So if we were to do that again and we were just to copy and paste this over and then approximately move it so that it is again on the outskirts of all of her extremities. Okay. And then again, we will use some red lines. Easy peasy. It's obviously not easy to do this by hand, and in doing so, just use a ruler or whatever. Okay, and boom, her centre of gravity is slightly higher than belly button, slightly on the outside because she is on 1 foot. Okay, so her gravity has been shifted, so it's slightly above this foot. Okay, so if we were to do that one last time for our baller. Have to make it a little wider again. Chuck some lines in. And we'll figure out his will be, I'm going to take a guess here. It's going to be just, because he's leaning forward and his knees are bent, it's around about the crotchal region. Boom. Okay, so that's how we figure out our centre of gravity, and it's really important to know where that is, particularly in relation to the other parts of balance and stability. And it is actually possible to move your centre of gravity outside of your body, as you can see our football player has done here. High jumpers are famous for being able to do this. So their centre of gravity literally passes beneath the bar when they're doing the Fosbury flop. Okay, and if we just move on to our final slide, This is a really cool example of someone who is doing constant backflips. The wee green ball here is where their centre of gravity is. Okay, so very rarely is the centre of gravity actually within their body. So it's a really cool example of how you can manipulate the centre of gravity and still manipulate your body. So the centre of gravity is outside your body, and you're still maintaining a fair bit of balance in that as well. So that's pretty cool stuff. Cool. Well, if you have any more questions about your centre of gravity, what it is and what it means, then go and ask your teacher. And the next few videos will hopefully help to give you an understanding of other elements of balance and stability and how they all interrelate. Thanks.